Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the upper left door hinge in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new upper left door hinge. This upper left door hinge is mounted on the top left of the refrigerator cabinet. It allows the left French door to swing open and close shut. The main reason for the upper left door hinge to be replaced is if it breaks, causing the French door not to open or close properly. To get to the part, we need to remove this control panel on the top, Phillips screwdriver, and we need to take out 3 screws. One in this corner, one in the middle, and one on the opposite side. Now I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver, going to place it right there where the arrow is and pry this panel up. And one more place here. Alright, the panel is off. And now I'm going to remove this left side hinge. Alright, so I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver and I'm going to lift up this lever. I'm going to slide it forward and remove it from the channels. Put it aside, and then I'm going to use the same flat blade screwdriver. Going to pry up the hinge. And take it off. This is the old upper left door hinge next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we have here a new hinge. We're going to install it. The harness goes into this cutout. Then this will go into this opening in the door. And first we need to install this side right there in the lock. And we need to adjust the door so this pin will go into the slot. Now press down into the door. Then I'm going to bring in the lever. I'm going to place it into the channels here on the side. And we're going to turn it to lock the hinge. And I'm going to place the harness into this opening. Right now I'm going to turn over the cover. Make sure the harness is inside. And we're going to install it back. Alright. And now we're going to secure it with 3 Phillips screws. I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver. And we're going to run those screws in. Alright. We're done. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.